Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a girl, kind of almost a manga style. But anyway, let's just draw a circle first, and we'll go ahead and draw the chin to make it somewhat pointy. Trying to keep it centered. Here's the center of the face, and the eyes then will be right here. And we're going to draw these eyes fairly large. So you notice that I made this line somewhat curved. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the outer part of the eye a little bit higher than the inside. That's the purpose for the upward curve here. So let's draw the upper part of the eye here first, and then curve out the outer part of the eye and draw the lower. Alright, let's just give her these huge irises. Make them round and give her these huge pupils as well. And let's put a big highlight here on the upper right before filling in the pupil. And radial lines to fill in the iris. Being careful not to fill in the highlight. Let's darken the upper part of the eye a little bit more, and maybe shade underneath the eyelid. Alright, and give her some eyelashes here just by making the outer part a little bit thicker right here, and maybe curve it up a bit, and perhaps give some indication of lower eyelashes, and a couple individual upper eyelashes as well. Let's draw a pudgy nose. Just draw an oval and darken the lower part where the nostrils would be, and again a upward curve for the lips. So this will be the middle part of the lip here, and a curve at the top for the upper lip, and a small indication here of the difference in the curve here in the upper part of the lip, and give her a nice thick lower lip with just a line. Let's darken that a little bit here, more the upper than the lower, but we'll darken it somewhat as well just to give it some form. And let's darken the chin, her facial line here with the jaw a little bit more to make that darker coming out. And you notice here that I'm trying to make it a little bit more symmetric. I had this line a little bit too far to the right, and just kind of indicate where the ears would be. The top of the ear is usually even with the eyes, and we'll just draw these indications here, and the inner fold of the ear, just like that. So let's give her some nice big eyebrows right at the top, and we'll start on the inside part of the eyebrow with vertical lines, starting to start to angle them out until they're horizontal. Same here, maybe curving in first, pointing inward, vertical, start to angle it, and then horizontal. Okay, let's fix that a little bit. Because it's a girl, let's go ahead and just give her a nice narrow thin neck, and maybe put in cast shadow on the neck, cast from her chin being over the neck here, cross hatch. And let's draw her hair. So let's say her hairline's up here, and let's just start curving it in over her left eye. Kind of hide that initial mark there. And here's the hairline, and on her right side then it kind of goes up as well, and then starts going down on the side of her face, perhaps covering part of her ear here. And bring this one out to the side, and it'll start to frame her face right there. So let's draw the upper part of the hair here. Don't go out too far, because we want to maintain this shape. So maybe the outer part of her hair is like right here, and go in like her hair is tied in a bun, and same here, out and coming over, and it's coming up right here at the top of her head, down. And just draw some lines to show the direction, general direction of her hair. And maybe a couple wisps of hair that kind of fall. And some loose hair that come off behind the ear, as well as in front of the ear. Same with the other side. And just kind of make these lines fairly loose, just so it looks like it's naturally falling. And kind of indicate her shoulder. And that's pretty much it, just a quick sketch of a girl. There you go. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you found this interesting. And I'll see you next time. Have a great day.